everybody, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you what I got from Amazon the other day. This is a GoPro, what do you call it? An extender stick. I don't know what you call it. So it's a monopod, a stand, and I'm reading this, and a mini tripod all in one. Now, everybody that's got a GoPro probably has their extender that you can put your GoPro on the end of it, and then do whatever, like a selfie stick. Anyway, this is a little bit different than that. This is like a selfie stick on steroids, and that's why I liked it, and that's why I got it. Let me show you what you get when you open this little guy up, and let's open it up. Okay, you can see in here, whatever. You get your little screw knob, a little carry strap, and this little guy right here. Now I've had this out. I haven't hooked it up to my GoPro or anything, but it's nice and convenient. Small, you probably put it in your back pocket. Got all these different angles and what have you. Nice rubber soft grip here, so you can grab it pretty good. And what I like about it is, hold on a second here, get it at the angle you want. Go ahead and just tighten up this little knob right there, tighten this one right here, put your GoPro right on the top here, and then you could hold it close to the ground. I mean, you can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm getting it close to the ground so you could kind of watch it like a dog's eye view. I mean, it's just something different. I like that. All right, so let's put this back up, and then I'm going to show you this. And even though it said it on the listing, I forgot anyway. Put that down. There is this little knob here. You unscrew it. This is pretty slick, and I had to watch the directions. Here is your tripod, but I'm looking at this going, well, that's great. Where do you put the camera? Well, you just pull this off. There you go. Is that sweet or what? It's all compact. It's all right here. I love this. This is going to work out great. Now, again, I don't have my GoPro with me, but I think you can pretty much understand where it's going to go. So there you are, guys, girls, gals, what have you. This is pretty sweet. I can't wait to start using this little guy. So anyway, hopefully that helps, and